Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to align the text on your canvas sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to align the text on your canvas sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. To align the text, for an example, here I have a paragraph of a line of text. So I just need to align the text first. So if you just click this, you have to align the text. You have this option on the top. This is the option alignment, so it doesn't have any keyboard shortcut. If you just click this, so first time it will be, so select the text you just need to align and then click this. So this is a right alignment, and this is a right and left alignment, and this is the justify, or this is the center alignment, and this is how you just align the text. So you have a 4 different type of alignment. You can just use this option to align the text inside the cell. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.